You've probably been hearing about ChatGPT in the news a lot lately. ChatGPT has passed a Wharton MBA exam, a medical licensing exam, and law school exams according to Insider. With the rapid growth in technological advances with AI technology, it is incredibly important to stay informed and be an early adapter. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you can learn more about ChatGPT and stay ahead of the curve in understanding and utilizing these important technologies. So what is ChatGPT and why should you care? ChatGPT is a computer program that can understand and respond to human language. It uses a type of artificial intelligence called deep learning to do this. This means that it can understand and respond to different types of language, like text messages or questions. It can also generate its own text, like writing a story or having a conversation. It's kind of like having a robot friend that can talk to you, but it's just a computer program. This might not seem like it's that important, but the technology and quality of outputs that ChatGPT produces is truly groundbreaking. BuzzFeed announced it was going to start using OpenAI, ChatGPT's creator, to help generate content, and its stock went up after the announcement. The point is, not only is this technology groundbreaking, it's here to stay. You will want to make sure you know how to use technology like this as it quickly gets integrated into the workforce. So how does ChatGPT work? The way it works is that it is trained on a huge amount of text data, like books, articles and websites. So when it's reading this data, it's learning about language and how words are used together. This way, when someone asks it a question or gives it some text, it can understand what they're saying and respond in a way that makes sense. Also, ChatGPT can generate text on its own, like writing a story or having a conversation. It does this by using the knowledge it gained during the training process and combining it with the context of the input it's given. The result is that it can generate quite coherent and contextually relevant text. This type of AI technology is becoming more and more prevalent in our daily lives, and it's exciting to see how it will evolve and be applied in the future. So how are people using ChatGPT? Companies are using ChatGPT to build chatbots for customer service on their websites. People are using ChatGPT for language translation. For example, you can easily translate something from English to French. People and businesses both are using ChatGPT for content generation. You can tell GPT to write in a specific style or tone and tell it about what content you'd like to write about, and it will start working for you immediately. We've used ChatGPT to generate content ideas for this very channel as an example. Think of it as having a virtual assistant at your fingertips that can help you accomplish tasks much faster than you'd be able to on your own. In the end, you will still need to trust but verify the content that ChatGPT creates for you, but this still saves a lot of time. You'll also want to make sure you're adding your own perspective on any content you generate, so you are not just spitting back exactly what the AI tells you. So what should you know before you get started using ChatGPT for yourself? ChatGPT is simply a language processing model. It reads the language that you input in your prompt, uses machine learning to understand that language, and generates a response based on your prompt. Because ChatGPT simply responds to the prompts that you give it, as you could imagine, the better the prompts that you give ChatGPT, the better the responses you will get in return. Be sure to check out our full video for tips for better prompts for ChatGPT, but 2 key things you should know to get you started are that 1. You should be specific with your prompts. The more specific your prompts are, the more accurate and relevant your responses will be. 2. You should provide ChatGPT with the relevant context. It should know the necessary context to respond to your prompt properly. We hope after watching this video that you've learned something about ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments if you would like us to cover any specific use cases for ChatGPT in the future.